Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's card features the Peaceful Deer stamp set and Peaceful Deer Builder Punch. This comes as a bundle and it's in the Stampin' Up! Mini catalogue. That's the stamp set and the punch. And the card we're going to make features just two colours, Pool Party and Cherry Cobbler. And I'm going to be doing some using our Stamparatus to get this effect down here with the sentiment. So let me show you the items you're going to need. So I've got a piece of thick basic white cardstock scored down the middle and cut in half. Another piece the same size for our top layer. A strip of paper from the Sweet Little Stockings Designer Series paper stack. That's in it's Pool Party, that colour. And then another strip of thick Whisper White to stamp out our deer. And the Pool Party and Cherry Cobbler inks as well. I'm also using the cute little sweet adhesive backed stars that are just there. I hope you can see them. So let's get started and we'll bring in our Stamparatus. Now if you haven't seen the Stamparatus before, it's our Stampin' Up! Stamp positioning tool. So it means that you get nice, straight, clean stamped images. So if you're doing multiple stamping and you want everything in exactly the same correct place, this is the great tool for you. Now it does come with two of these that come out like that. I'm only needing to use one today. So bring in your piece of thick Whisper White. I've already gone ahead and I know exactly where I want my stamp to be. Use the magnet just to hold it in place. These magnets are very strong, by the way. So what's going to happen is I've already gone ahead and positioned my stamp on this plate here. And I'm going to be coming over and push and stamping down there. So I'm going to use the Cherry Cobbler colour first. Just going to ink that up. Make sure everything is in the right place on the video for you. Yes. Press down, don't have to give too much. Here we go, and that's perfect. Now what I'm going to do is move it down one notch. This is called hinge step stamping. Move it down, re-ink it. Now don't worry if you get ink on the plate, it won't transfer. See, I've got a little bit right there. And again, I'm not applying too much pressure. And one more, move it down again. And on. See, I've got a little bit more ink there and it's not transferring. Oops, we've got a backing off a dimensional which just suddenly decided it wanted to arrive. And another one. I'm going to clean that off a little bit, even though I know it won't transfer. It's habit. It's just habit. If you have the little, if you have any of the little the Stampin' Spots, the little, they're like this one. If you have any of the uninked Stampin' Spots, these are perfect for using this kind of stamping anyway, using the Stamparatus, because if you don't like getting any ink on the plate, then those little Stampin' Spots are perfect. Just move that up a little bit. And the last one right there. Okay, now I'm going to clean that off using my Simply Chamois. And now I'm just going to bring in the Pool Party. And we're going to be moving the stamp down ever so slightly. So I know my stamp is dry. I'm just going to stamp it down there. So we're just going to make I'm not too worried if it's not exactly, you know, in the middle there. This is just to give a fun border, really. Okay, that should be right. Set down and change the colour. So this way you just get those two great colours together, and it looks really effective as another way to use your stamp as a border. And the Stamparatus makes it super easy to do. This time of the year I'm making loads of Christmas cards, and the Stamparatus is fabulous, especially if you're doing a lot of cutouts or labels for things. It's really good. Right, that's all we need the Stamparatus for. So let's pop that out of the way. Magnet goes in the back. Like I said, they are very strong. All right, we will need our inks again. So I'm going to now position, just that paper's going to go about there. So I've still got the right that's stamping down the side. Now I'm going to do a little bit of stamping using this, the stars, and where is it? I must have put it somewhere. I just can't see where I've put it. Oh, there they are, staring at me. Man, who else has done that? Looking for something on your desk and it's right in front of you. Alright, so this is going to be a little bit of stamping off because I don't want the full strength cherry cobbler in here. So I just position that there so I can make a guesstimate of where I want to start. Doesn't matter if this bit of paper comes over. Right, so I've inked up my cherry cobbler. I'm stamping off so it's not full strength, and I'm just going to stamp down. I'm going to do the next one, and I'm just going to angle them slightly because I'm going to be coming in with my pool party as well. Okay, just clean that off. Do the same with the pool party. Right. Full strength, and a little bit up there. I'm just doing it randomly, overlapping with some. Put that on and see how that looks. See if I've got any gaps. Oh, that looks good. Those two colours are so pretty together. They really are. Let's put that down now, I think, with some Tombow. And I don't know if you heard that growl. There's my dog running underneath the craft table. Someone's walking past the house and he thinks it's his job to bark at everybody that walks past. Just wants to let me know. Right. I think that's really cute. All right, now so for our deer image. Let's get our deer. Just getting a block out. Sorry, I should have had a block ready. I wasn't as organised as I thought I should be. So with this one, I just like to stamp over here to make sure I've got it going. Yep, that's good. And of course this cute little image has the "Oh what fun" stamped through it, which is really cute. Bringing our punch. I'm not going to be using the antlers for this one, so just line it up. Find it neat. I'd have to have a couple of, just be a bit patient to make sure I've got it all perfect. Yep. Let's bring in our I'm not doing any other stamping on that. I figured with that cute little image there, I figured that was enough. So I'm just bringing in the linen thread. Just take a little bit of that off, as much as you want to make this bit here. Now this is where there are many different ways to do this. I usually start like this, wrapping it around my finger and then placing it down and just positioning it out to where I want it. I'm coming a little bit further down the card. There we go. And I usually just get a little bit of tape somewhere that I know it's going to be covered with the stamp, the cut out image. Just to hold that tape, hold it down. Let's start again. I think I might have cut out a bit too much, but that's okay. Just want to get that held in there. Go. I'm okay with that. And then, yep, happy with that. Dimensionals to hold the deer in place. It's our original card there. Right. And let's put these little cute back stars on. These are the Cute Stars adhesive backed. And I'm going to use that clear colour. I think they just add that extra little bit of bling to the card. And they are sticking to everything today. If you don't like adhering, putting glue on things, these are perfect because they come ready made. Right, that's the card made. So with this card, I actually used dimensionals to pop the top on, but I'm actually going to go flat with this one and see which one I prefer. And Tombow. Running out of Tombow here. Okay. I think I like it flat. It's one of those things you just don't know. Sometimes it's nice to have that little bit of dimension of the card, but I think popping up the deer also helps as well. So there it is, using the Stamparatus, two colours of ink, that's all, and that beautiful Peaceful Deer bundle. I hope you enjoyed that video. I have put a link to all the products I've used in the description bar below. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact me, stampingmary@gmail.com. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.